Ooh, Crash's new Supermoto. Supermoto is really good for smart rudder drills. I'm thinking about getting one just so I can compete with you guys. So you can do it the fastest. That looks like a dirt bike. I can see some knobbies. Oh, geez. Oh, right arm. Lost control. Reached for it. Ouchie, 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 ouchie. Broken elbows are no fun. Sliding, check your butt. You ripped up your pants. Hopefully you didn't break your coccyx. You got road rash on your butt. It's going to suck to take a poop for a while. There's some road rash. Not too bad. So if we can take a look at it. So there's 3 levels, just like thermal burns. So thermal burns, you get, first, second, and third degree burn from like fire or heat, right? So first degree, it's like a really bad sunburn. Second degree, you got blisters. Third degree, you kind of burned the top layer of your skin. Nerve endings are no longer, affected because they're burnt off. So same thing with road rash. You have level 1, 2, and 3. You could have a 4. 4 is you're just missing pieces. So it's more like trauma, like bad trauma. So we have some lacerations. These look like a little capillary. This right here, this red, that's a level 1. That's a level 1. It could be level 2. Parts of it could be level 2, like a little bit here, a little bit there, all that stuff. So level 1, bad rug burn or bad like sunburn feel. Not very good. Don't like it. It's instant. You're not going to like it. Level 2, your nerve endings are kind of poking out and exposed. Very painful. Very painful. That's why the blisters really, really hurt. But same thing with this. You just have some like dust and debris right here. Maybe some pain, but that's pretty much like dirt. But that right there, that redness right here, that's road rash. That's level 1 and 2. Not fun. Where do you think you have motorcycle abrasion resistance or crash resistance stuff, road rash resistance? You have it on your motorcycle jacket right here on the arms coming up. And it's going to rip up the jacket, but it's not going to rip up your skin. And you saw how quick that was. You saw how quick that was. Please wear gear. Please wear gear.
I think I'm good.
Yeah, you're good. All right, here we go.
Gloves actually don't look that bad.
In this situation,
Good space cushion. I like it. I like to park like right here. Off to the side. Just off to the side. You've seen it. People back up. Also, I could just go ahead and escape this way if I needed to. I'd like parking at the sides.
it looks like the rider gave too much throttle and leaned in too far.
Ooh, tight turn. Kind of a tight turn. Don't give it too much throttle in these turns. Just maintain speed. There it is. Just maintain speed around the corner, and once you get straight, accelerate.
First crash.
So when you accelerate super hard in a corner like that, your tires can start losing some traction because you need traction to make a turn. You need traction to accelerate. You need traction to decelerate, which is braking for the most part. So if you're using a lot of traction to turn, because you saw his lean angle. Let's take a look at his lean angle. Okay, so you need a lot of traction on that lean angle. And then if you're accelerating, you need a lot of traction to accelerate. So if you only have so much traction on those tires, because if they're not the greatest tires, you're going to use up all of it. And when you use up all of it, it's going to spin. It's not going to grab the ground, and you're going to lose it. So what I mentioned, so here, yeah, go ahead, fine, have the lean angle, but don't give it too much speed. Or remove the lean angle, maybe give it a little bit more speed, and you should be fine. I prefer not a lot of lean angle, easy speed, maybe 15, 20 miles an hour through the intersection, and then once I'm straight, I'll give it some speed. Because another thing that can take your traction, gravel, oil, random road debris. So I don't know if that's there. I try to avoid it, but I'm not going to put myself in this situation and have random road debris, gravel, and oil, because that will just mess you up. So take it nice and easy through it. Take it nice and easy through it.
Oh. Oh my God. First crash.
So that's what happened. I consider it kind of like a beginner mistake. But it happens. That's why you wear gear.
Whoa, no, that's
Oh,
not
it's
good.
peeing. It's not good at all. What's up, buddy?
I can't hear it.
This is the vehicle. Okay. Is it an open lane pattern? Is he gonna switch to left lane? You see how that our lane is moving faster? Oh no, okay.
I can't.
That was a pattern there. He's just not paying. He's just moving around. Oh geez, moved. That was an open lane pattern. That left lane. If there's road rage in this, we're just gonna skip that part. But that left lane is going slower than that vehicle right there that wants. They're gonna switch over. We're in the blind spot. They didn't check their blind spot or check their mirrors or even did a head check. They just kind of moved over. So when I talk about open lane pattern, these vehicles are going slower than this person wants. There you see this big open lane. They're going to go towards the lane because they're looking up here. They're not looking over here. They're just going to switch. I don't like being in blind spots for that reason. Now, what can we do if they start switching over? Don't fight for the lane. That dude's going to win. Move to the next one. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Congratulate yourself for seeing it ahead of time. Good job moving over. Love it.
Oh, hell no. I got a bone to pick with him.
I don't care. Don't care. Cops. Okay, cool. Don't care. Come on, Motostars. Please tell me this is not the whole video. There we go.
Red light to get bros.
Jeez, we just used up the whole video, Motostars. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. But anyways, moving on this one. Wear some gear, please. Jacket and pants, gloves, boots, helmet. We got a helmet. Very good. We got gloves. Very good. Probably regular shoes. Looks like some leggings. At least he's safe. All right, here we go. What happens? Nice little body angle. Not too bad. Oh, geez. Got to swerve. Oh. See how he stood upright? It's going to mess up his swerve. Keep leaning into the turn. Lost some traction on the rear tire, maybe? Yeah, applied the brakes a little too hard. If you're doing it, do it. Like, he was already in the middle of that turn. Maintain the turn. Because once he stood up, he starts going a little straight. Focus. Like, oh, crap. My exit's over there. I got to really get into it. See how he, like, straightened up? Yeah, go ahead and just continue your best. You're already on the path. Got super lucky. This feels like Cyberpunk 20... Yeah, with, like, all the mods. You guys seen those videos?
This clip is a great reminder of why it's important to avoid painted road markings, which can be extremely slippery on wet surfaces.
Okay, so the white marking. Yeah, a little traction control. Good job. Good job. Good job, because here's the thing. Most people panic and then look straight, and then he would have crashed into the car. So he kept his target fixation on his exit, which is the road. So very good. Watch. So he's going to slip. Most people, see, right now, his camera is right here. He adjusts and looks this way and makes it. So very good. You see how it changed? Let's watch that one more time. Because that's important, because your target fixation is a tool to get yourself out of situations. It's not a curse. You have to train your brain to focus on where you're supposed to be going.
Slippery on wet surfaces.
And some soft braking, exactly. Did very good. Handled it very well.
Right.
Oh, no. What do you think is going to happen here, everybody?
Because it's a big one, and you can already see there's not much traction on the bottom. So I'm not afraid to turn.
Do we have some ice coming up? Yep, right there.
I do want to see.
Ooh, we got some snow. Here we go.
Likely be coming back down.
That's gonna be a tough one.
So
that's gonna be tough. See if you can do it. See if you can do it.
there it goes.
Just ran out of traction. Just ran out of.
Return signals.
Yeah. Just ran out of traction. Now we go down the hill. Oh. Okay. I almost crashed due to icy road.
No.
So tight turn from a stop right here. Lost a little traction. I mean, icy road. So you're going to have traction control problems when it comes to rain, gravel, snow, things on the road. So be very careful. Slower on the acceleration. You're going to have to be slower on the braking. So what does that mean when it comes to slower on the acceleration? It means that when you have to escape fast, it's going to be delayed. So you have to be extra aware and perceive even quicker. Same with the braking. If your braking is going to be slower because you don't want to lose traction, it means you have to be extra aware and then keep a good space cushion in these types of situations. Don't drive or ride like you would if it was a dry road or sunny road or sunny time and all that stuff. You're going to have to adjust and give yourself more room to react and perceive.
Oh, no.
Oh, beginner mistake. Lost a little balance. Keep your handlebars straight as best you can.
Dursun öyle.
This happens to people that are short like me where they can't touch the ground. They're like this. That's why I have a Honda Rebel so I can flat foot it.
Var mı bir şey?
Turn around, lift it up.
Gel bu tarafa dursun. Geç.
There you go.
Kaldırırız.
That's going to hurt your back. Okay. This feels like it's on a green screen, doesn't it? Does he have like a light on his helmet? Okay, person pulled out in front of you. Good job with applying the brakes. Very good. Handled. Awesome. Not a big deal. You applied the brakes. You didn't get a close... It wasn't really a close call. All right, so snowy road. Okay, looks like it's pretty well kept. Not too bad. Watch out for anybody turning in front of you. You have an intersection coming up, so you're going to be in orange stage. A little bit prepped and ready for anything like that. There it is. Good job rolling off the throttle, applying a little bit of brakes, let them through, moving on. Happens, even in cars, but it's scarier on a motorcycle because we don't have that protection. All right, we're lane filtering. Car hits your leg. Well, don't pull out in front of them.
What are you doing?
I like to maintain like that lane filter position all the way to the front and just stay there.
Oh.
Ashtray. Okay. Okay, we're sitting here. I like to be. I'm gonna keep saying it, guys. I like to be right here. I can see ahead. I can accelerate through. I don't have to worry about anybody backing up into me. Off to the side, guys. Off to the side. Oh, come on.
Oh, hell no!
That's gross.
Hell no! Whoa! Oh, hell no!
Okay, we don't really care too much about that. Oh, is that the end of the video? Motostars, no, don't waste it on the end of that video. All right, guys, that was a lot of fun. Thank you, Motostars. Once again, check out the store. Links in description. Use the discount code, 20% off of the drill booklet and the cone kit, which comes with the drill booklet. It also comes with a downloadable version of all that stuff when you buy it. So you're going to get a whole bunch of stuff with 20% off till the end of the month of January 2025. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe. Make sure you guys plan your ride. And I'll see you on the next live stream, which is typically Thursdays at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. All right. See you guys later.